This next lift brought to you by Patron. Golly. Done. 445 pounds on the bar. Here we go, everybody. Get behind us, man. It's a lot of weight.
Woo!
445 pounds down, all the way up. Let's hear it for it. 445 pounds.
Nice.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go, go, go.
Go, 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 go,
There you go. There you go.
There you go, buddy. Let's go, go, go. Come on, come on. Quick feet, quick feet.
Come on.
There you go. Run it, run it.
Drive it forward.
Come on, let's
Come on.
go, go, go.
Come on.
Run it, run it, run
Faster.
it.
You got more
There
in
you
you.
go, there you go. Quicker,
Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on.
Yeah. Come on, keep going, going.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, if you drop them, you have to eat them
Come
off
on,
the floor.
whoa.
One donut. These are dry. I may not win. Two donuts. 6 donuts. All right, everybody. Good job. You killed it, big man.
Those are dry.
They're very dry. Easy money.
Good momentum. Yeah.
You got it, Jay.
Woohoo!
You got this.
Other thing we're talking about doing is we're going to start doing every year at our anniversary events what we're going to call like our Alpha Omega Nutrition Leadership Award. And we're going to do that to someone that, you know, changes lives, inspires people, you know, has done something like a big transformation, brings people together, stuff like that. And so today, this year is the first time we're going to give it out to someone. And why don't you read it too?
All right. 54729G. Big J Alpha Omega Nutrition Leadership Award 2017. For your dedication, I'm getting choked up for real. For your dedication to fitness and for being an inspiration to others. Let's get a picture of this bad boy, eh?
Yep.
And that's a wrap. Big J's FitCon Wyoming 2017's in the books. Stay tuned for Wyoming 2018. We already started the planning. It's going to be amazing. Don't forget to swing by the store, Alpha Omega Nutrition. Links in the description box. Pick up your Big J's Intensity pre-workout and amino acid, and worldwide shipping is available. Until next time, Intensity Rules, train hardcore, and we'll see you next video.